Let's talk about pointers as function parameters. So what is a parameter? A parameter is going to be something that we pass into a method as like an argument. So this is our method return type, this is the name, and this is the parameter. We're going to call our parameter inside of the main method so that we can access it. You can see I already have these right here. We'll code this one over again. We'll code it from scratch. So let's say we want our main function to print our value. Well, first let's make a value. I previously did an integer when I was testing this, so let's do a double. Double x is equal to 3.14. Well, we want to get the address of this. So what we're going to do, and getting the address is going to be our argument or parameter that we pass in. So let's make a new method. We're just going to call this print double. And then inside of here, we're going to pass the address. So we need the ampersand symbol, and then our variable, that's going to be x. Now let's make our method. It's going to be a void. We're going to call it print double. And then inside of here, inside of the method, we know we have to have a double, and then we have to have the variable. However, if we want it to be a pointer, we can't just leave it as x. We want it to be a asterisk in front of it. That's going to give us the value once we call the asterisk of it. So to do this, let's do a cout where we have a print, and we're just going to print out asterisk x, and then we're going to end the line, and then we can simply close this method. Let's try to run this and see what we get. I'll run it one time just with the asterisk x, and then I'll run it one time with just x, and you can see the difference. So if we run asterisk x, we are going to get the value. We're passing here the and x, the ampersand x. This passes the address of x. And then this is going to take the pointer of it. So this is going to point to the address. This asterisk, yeah, it points to the ampersand, which is the address. Now, if we have an asterisk x, as I did originally, it printed out the 3.14, the original value. If you just have the x, it's going to print out the address. So that's how we would pass pointers as function parameters. A simple, small section. If you have any questions on it, leave them in the comments below. For more C++ and more C++ pointer videos, check out that playlist below the like button.